Okay, good morning and welcome to
Calculus 1.
Calculus 1. So yesterday we watched a Grant Sanderson video. This is actually your second week of calculus, and he looked at a bunch of different examples. We're going to focus on the x squared example and where that leads us. So he looked at a graph or a picture like this, which explored what?
We explored how the area of the square changes with small changes to x.
Okay. And can you explain what he did?
So he increased x by a small amount. I'm going to draw it a bit bigger so it actually can show up. But he increased x by this little bit, which he called dx.
Okay.
And now we can have some different expressions for how the area of the square changes. And our first is, we say it's x plus dx squared. This is the new side length squared is our new area.
Alright.
And then our other one is going to be x squared plus dx squared.
Yeah, and on that you have to be careful. You're always going to want to make your parentheses, right? So this is saying we're looking for x squared. This new area is x squared plus this change, which we use d for, in x squared. And we're going to set these two expressions equal to each other. That's what he did in the movie.
Yep.
Okay? So what happens when we do this?
So I'm going to erase the square. This says that, so I'm going to multiply out our top expression,
Okay.
x squared plus 2x dx plus dx squared.
Alright, and this already shows why those parentheses are really important.
Mm-hmm.
The change in x squared is not the change in x squared.
Right, this part here is so small that we can actually ignore it.
Okay. And do you know why that's true? He said that in the movie, or the video, but why is that true?
Is as dx approaches 0, dx squared is going to get really, really small.
Okay, good.
Really fast.
That's good intuition.
So this part doesn't matter.
Alright.
And so we have x squared plus 2x dx equals x squared plus d of x squared, which means, so we can subtract away the x squareds from both sides, and we get 2x dx equals dx squared.
Alright.
Now I think the derivative is going to be dx squared to dx.
Yeah.
I think that's how it works, and then equals 2x.
Okay, it tells us the derivative of x squared, so d by dx of x squared is 2x. Alright, that was what he did. And then he gave two challenges that we're going to work through now. Alright? Okay?
Yep.